fucking love blowing donuts on this thing.
Oh, your foot right in the water, buddy.
Sorry, Dad.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we got a little care package of parts for the bike. As you can first see off right off the right, got some grips. Got some grip tape for the frame. Waterproof air filter cover, so when we wash it. Front disc guard with the bracket to hold it. Then we just got some spare filters. We're gonna toss these on the bike and either we'll go ride the bike or maybe we'll go watch the race down at Southwick. There goes my lights. Sorry about that, the lights are back on. So either we'll go ride this thing or maybe we'll go down and watch the first race at Southwick. I'm not sure yet. Let's put these on and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do. Scared once the vlog comes out. Tom's not scared. All right, guys, we got the grips on. I adjusted the bars. Oh, I put the frame protector / grips on, which I forgot to film.
Tom's trying to figure out how this goes.
Tom's trying to figure out how that goes. You're missing a piece.
I'm trying to put a circle in a square slot, you know?
So we're going to put that on, and I'm going to grease everything up because...
Ever since we got out of pit bikes, we never had to change another tire.
No.
I fucking popped Evans just sitting in the yard.
No grease.
Show your camera.
Look at this. This is why you grease everything after you pick your bike up. No grease on this thing whatsoever.
That's Yamaha spec.
Yamaha spec for you.
That's that dry lube. That's that Bluetooth connection right there.
That Bluetooth.
They got Bluetooth grease on this 2022. You already know. I wonder if they even check the bolts. You might want to do a rundown and do a bolt check.
I noticed there was oil in there, so that's good.
Alright, yeah, as long as the motor's got oil.
The Three Stooges here. We're trying to put the computer on so we can program the bike. Apparently we can't figure it out. Let's see. Alright, guys. Bike. Got the disc guard on, got the frame guards, got the grips, greased everything up. Make sure you grease it. As you guys saw, that front axle wasn't greased. Now, let's fast forward a few days. We're either gonna go riding or go watch the race. We'll probably do both. I don't know what I'm gonna show in this video, but if you enjoyed, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and smash that like button. And it looked crazy. That's a sunburn. But yeah, see you guys in a few. Opening day at the Wick. Race day. Opening race, I should say. It's packed.
Oh, you didn't bring your drone? Like die right there.
Second place.
They love them too, so. They got a nice ride. They got a nice machine just like ours. Tinted windows.
We need 10R.
Out here, he's gonna be second. Out here, what's Harrison just coasting, it looks like?